Hi students, good morning to all. Hope you all are staying safe at home by the God's grace. Today we are going to learn chapter 1, exercise 1.5, that too miscellaneous practice problems. Clear? Yes, let's begin. Yes, let's start. Exercise 1.5, miscellaneous practice problem. First question, write the following decimal number in the place value table. You already know how to write the place value table. Okay, so first question 247.36. Here the 7 is ones, tens, hundreds. After the dot we call it as tens, hundred, thousands. Okay, so how many digits are there? 5 digits. So put 5 boxes and then represent. You have to think over the decimal point. Before that go with ones, tens and hundred, and after that go with tens and hundreds. Okay, second question 132.105. Again here 6 digits, so we are going with 6 blocks, and here with the decimal point start before number as ones, tens, hundred, and the next number with tens, hundreds and thousands. So fill the digits, you'll be clear. Okay, second question, write each of the following as decimal number. Okay, we are going to convert the question in the format of a decimal number. Okay, 300 plus 5 plus 7 by 10 plus 9 by 100 plus 2 by 1000. Okay, so now here you can understand that since here hundreds is there, this is ones, tens is missing, isn't it? Next hundreds is there. So instead of 10 we have to put 1 0. Instead of 10 we have to put 1 0. So 305.792. Okay, because that is tens. So between ones and tens we have to put the decimal point. Now I think you are clear with the content. Okay. Second question, 1000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2 plus 6 by 10 plus 7 by 100. So this means tenths and this means hundreds. Okay. So this is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So it is 1432.67. Clear? So next third question, which is greater? So when you go with the greater, they have given the question 0.888, that is 888, or 0.28. So here you have to again compare the whole number part and next tens part, then hundreds part and thousandth part. So when you check here tens place itself, we can find that 8 is greater than 2. Therefore the greater number is 0.888. Therefore 0.888 is greater. Fine? Yes. The same way, second question, 23.914 or 23.915. Again go with the whole number part, both are equal. Then check the tens place. Tenth place also what? It is equal. Go with the hundredth place. Yes, both are equal. But when we compare the thousandth place, 5 is greater than 4. Therefore it means that 23.915 is greater. Clear? Yes, we'll move on to the fourth question. In a 25 meter swimming competition, the time taken by 5 swimmers, the swimmer names are A, B, C, D and E, are 15.7 seconds, 15.8 seconds, 15.6 seconds, 15.74 seconds and 15.67 seconds respectively. Respectively means first value is for first one, second value is for second one, third is for third, fourth for fourth and fifth is for fifth. Now they are asking us to identify the winner. So you know that when there is a swimming competition, always the timing which has the lowest count is said to be the winner. Okay, so here according to the timings, okay, according to the seconds, I have arranged from smallest to biggest. Okay, so it means that the smallest seconds will be the winner. Okay, so 15.6. After 15.6 we have 15.67. Just compare the whole number part, then the tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So when we compare first place 15.6, second place 15.67, third place 15.7, fourth place 15.74 and fifth place it is 15.8 seconds. So from this we can find that 15.6 second timing person is said to be the winner. Therefore 15.6 second time taken by C is the winner. Clear? Yes. Next, fifth question, convert the following decimal number into fractions. Okay, first question they have given 23.4. Okay, first thing I want to explain you that when they give the decimal number and we want to convert into fraction, we can go in this way. This is in ones place, this is in tenths place. Okay, so 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 by 10. This is the format, right? So after this we have to directly write it as 20 plus 3 plus 4 by 10. After this you want to go for LCM. So when you go for LCM you will be getting 200 plus 30 plus 4 by 10. So it is 234 by 10. Isn't it? So after that you can go for simplification. So when you simplify 5 2s are 10 and 1 2 is 2, again 1 2 is 2, 7 2s are 14. So you will be getting 117 by 5. You can go by this method, or already we have used this method, right? Therefore I have used one more method here in this exercise, that too in the miscellaneous problems. Okay, so 23.4, we have decimal point next to one number, right? Therefore you have to write this as a whole number and divide it by 10. If the decimal after decimal point, if we have two numbers, then you want to make the number as whole number, then put that number of 0. So if it is 2 decimals, then put 100. If it is 3 decimal after the decimal point, then put 1000. Okay, so here after the decimal point one number is there, therefore write it as a whole number and divide it by 10. Okay, so when you simplify you will be getting 117 by 5. That's it. Clear? The same way if you go with the second sum you will be clear. 46.301. After decimal point we have 3 digits. Therefore I am going to write this as a whole number, 46,301 divided by 1000. Okay, but here we can't able to simplify further, so we are writing it as 46,301 by 1000. Okay, shall we move to the sixth question? Yes, express the following in kilometers using decimals. Okay, so first question, 256 meter. So when you want to solve this problem, you already know that 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So with this concept, with this metric measure, we are going to convert the meter into kilometer, right? Yes. So therefore 256 meter is equal to 256 into 1 by 1000 kilometer. So since it is 3 zeros down, just move 3 digits and keep the point. So it is 0.256. A simple trick for you, if it have 500 by 10, you will be going like this, right? If the number is given like this, 263 by 10, then push decimal number after one digit, that is 26.3. If 10 is there, push the decimal point one step. If the question is in this way, 243 by 100, push the decimal number 2 places before the number, so 2.43. Okay, the same way now it has been given 256 by 1000. So we have to push the decimal point from the back to 3 digits because 30. So 652. So 0.256. So it should be written as 0.256 kilometer. Correct? Yes. Next, 4,567 meter. Okay, 4,567 meter is equal to 4,567 into 1 by 1000 kilometer. Since 30, push the decimal point forward 1 2 3, therefore 4.567. If 30, push the decimal point forward 3 steps. Okay, fine. Next, seventh question. There are 26 boys and 24 girls in a class. Express the fractions of boys and girls as decimal number. So, they have given the total number of boys and girls, and here the total number of boys is 26 and total number of girls is 24. Totally when you add it, it is 50. So when you want to find the boys fraction, you have to divide the number of boys by total number of students. The number of boys is 26 and total number of students is 50. So when you have to change it as a decimal number, make it to the nearest zeros, that is 10 or 100 or 1000. So 50, next to 50, 100 is there. So 50 into 2, the same way multiply the numerator also with 2. So 26 into 2 will gives you 52. 50 into 2 will gives you 100. So 2 zeros, further move the point towards 2 numbers before. So 0.52. Girls. The number of girls is 24 and the total number of students is 50. So again 50 nearest tens or hundreds, 100. So into 2. So 24 into 2 is 48 and 50 into 2 is 100. So place the decimal point before two numbers. Okay. So here 0.48. So this is the end. I am sure that you are clear with all the questions which we discussed today. Without doubt, I think you would have understood the questions with the solutions. So practice the problems. Yes, this is the end of this exercise. I'm sure that you are clear with the problems which we discussed today in this video section. If you like my videos, just like it. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you really like my videos, share these videos with your friends and relatives. Ask them to subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you. Bye-bye.